Okay, this will be an example of a two-step conversion. The types we were doing in class. So in this example, we're going from picograms to milligrams. So we would say that is picograms to grams to milligrams. So as I stated earlier, there's a relationship between these two units and there's a relationship between those two units. So 1 goes with my prefix, picogram is equal to 10 to the minus 12 grams. On this side, I would have 1 milligram equals 10 to the minus 3 grams. So my two conversion factors, you could continue to do it this way or just work with this equality, which isn't a conversion factor. But we could write 1 picogram over 10 to the minus 12 grams. And what's also true is 10 to the minus 12 grams over 1 picogram. And for this side, we could put 1 milligram over 10 to the minus 3 grams. And that is also true for 10 to the minus 3 grams over 1 milligram. So now let's go ahead and start this multiplication process. So we have 54.77 picograms times, I want to use a conversion factor that allows me to get rid of picograms and keep grams, so that would be this one right here. So 1 pg and 10 to the minus 12 g at the top. Picograms and picograms cancel. Now I want to go from grams up here, grams, to micrograms. So this conversion factor is over here, so I want to get rid of grams and I want to keep micrograms. So I can use that factor of 10 to the minus 3 grams over 1 milligram. And that is equal to 5.4, excuse me, that is equal to, erase, that is equal to 54.77 times 10, negative 3 in the denominator becomes positive 10, positive 3 in the numerator, and a negative 12 plus a positive 3 gives me a negative 9. Now if I want to put that in scientific notation, I can move that one place to the left, and that would leave me with 5.477 times 10 to the one place to the left. That's minus 9 plus 1 gives me a negative 8. Any questions or comments? Please bring them to class. I will post more similar videos. But if you do not understand this, please bring your questions to class.